Welcome. In front of me is XIAOMI RedmiBook 14, and in this video I will show you how to send files from your phone to this laptop. First, we'll have to open a website called HardReset.Net. It looks like this, and it goes https HardReset.Net, and once you enter this website, you'll be given a random nickname so that you can identify your device easier. And right now, in order to send a file from your phone to your laptop, click on this link icon in the bottom, in the top right corner. And then you can either input this code you can see in front of you on your phone once you open this website on your phone in order to link the device, or you can simply scan the QR code with your phone to enter the website and connect automatically. I'm gonna do this because it's much easier. Okay, so I just scanned the QR code and connect it to my laptop. Sometimes it takes a while. And right now on your phone, select the laptop and select the file that you want to send to another device. Click Add once you selected the file, and then click Accept on your laptop and wait until the file is downloaded. Okay. And as you can see, the file was successfully downloaded. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.